Hey guys, it's Shubho. How are you doing? It's welcome to another video, and in this video, we are gonna learn about double exposure. I upload videos about photography, Photoshop tutorials, and Lightroom tutorials on this channel. So if you don't want to miss anything out, make sure to hit the bell, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss on any videos in the future. And if you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing. With that said, let's go to the computer. Over here, let me check. Yes, so it's recording. Over here, I have a picture over here, and this one is from Pexels. The link will be down in the description. First thing that you want to do, you want to duplicate the layer because we do it as a form of etiquette so that we don't ruin the original picture and we can reuse it if we need. Now, the second image over here is actually this image that I have taken again from Pexels. The link will be in the description. But I have removed this parts of the sky, and as you can see, it's currently in this state. Anyway, with that said, this is the image that we're going to be working with. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this object selection tool, select the thing, select this person, and we're going to hit this icon over here, and it gets masked. As you can see, the background gets removed. Now we will desaturate this thing because I want a black and white image. So we're going to Control Shift and U. Oh, we are desaturating the mask. Sorry, Control Shift U. Make sure the picture is selected, otherwise it's going to end up like I did. We are not going to desaturate the image. We're not going to do anything. Anyway, now we are going to bring this image, the second image that you have. I have already cropped the sky out for some effect. We're going to zoom out, and we're going to Control T, and we are going to keep this part of the image. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's make it like this. Okay. Now, two things that needs to be noticed over here is that this building, this side of the building should be above his head because I'm trying to go for that skyscraper look. This thing can be over here. Okay, let's keep the road. Yeah. So let's keep it like this. The buildings are above his head. We have the nice view of the road and everything. Okay. So again, we are going to desaturate it. Control Shift and U. Okay, now this thing is desaturated. We are going to take this mask. We're going to Alt hold this and copy it right over here. And as you can see, our basic image imprint is ready. Just going to delete the part that we don't need. So, and if you see these white bits over here, I'll try to get rid of them the best I can. But remember, this is a tutorial. You can always take all your time and make immaculate and meticulous selections. But for now, for the part of the tutorial, I'm going to do this because I'm a little short on time. Anyway, we are going to select the mask on the man's face. Select the part that you are going to work with, which is the man's face. Take the brush, make sure that the color is set to black. Remember, black hides, white shows. I'm going to just hit the part that we don't want to. Remember, since we are working with the man's face and this is the mask we are working with, rubbing on the building will not do anything to them because that's this mask, not the man's mask. If we want to do anything to the buildings, we'll have to work with this mask, which we will do in a very short time. As you can see, the part of the man and this middle sky is gone. Okay, very cool. We are going to reduce the brush size, take this part, and we're going to just delete some of the portions that we don't want. But since this is a desaturated black and white image, we don't need to do anything because the background is going to be white anyways. The main thing we are going to do here is again we're going to just take the brush size a little bigger, and we're going to just remove some of the city portion from the man's face because we want to see the man's face. And there you have it. And as you can see, it looks like there's a city within the man. We are going to take a solid color layer, make it white, hit OK, bring it. Okay, now No. Okay, let's delete this thing. It's not getting. Let's just take another new layer, move it between the two, and just fill it with white. And as you can see, there are some parts still remaining. We're gonna take this part and we're gonna rub away the unwanted portions of this photo, and there you have it. You can make the brush small, select the proper mask, and delete some unwanted portions. Of your image, and have a beautiful image of a double exposure of this Manhattan skyline splitting the man's face in two. The pictures are from Pexels and they're linked down in the description. I do not own these pictures. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.